Hey guys, welcome back to Midshire TV, the channel for all your communication technology needs. Today we'll be teaching you how to create and host a conference call. You can create a conference with video and audio. If you want to hold an audio conference, you are allowed up to 50 participants. And if you want to hold a video conference, you're allowed up to 15 participants. Something which is really cool is that conferences can include people who are internal who use Collaborate and people who are external who do not use Collaborate. To create your conference, click on the conference room icon near the top right, which will open up your conference room. When your conference room opens, you will see your room information on the right hand side. So suppose you want to invite some external people who don't use Collaborate. All you have to do is click on copy guest link, and then you can send that invitation link via email, messenger, etc. That will then send a link which the invitees will have to click on and join the room. The preferred browser for this would be Google Chrome. Inviting an internal contact is easy. Click on your contact and simply drag them into the conference room. Or if your colleagues want to join the room, they can search your name in their contacts, right-click your name, and then select Join Room. When you do this, you will receive a pop-up which will then give you the option to accept or decline the request to join your room. You can change this by clicking on the three dots next to the participants and then choose the setting you'd prefer. Want to know something really cool? External people can join an audio conference by using a different method called dial-in number, which can be found underneath your room information, and once that's dialed, all they have to do is enter the conference ID. Now, how to host a conference call. When your conference is set up and your attendees have joined, they'll be put into a waiting list until you activate the audio conference. You can do this by clicking on the call option. You can also start a video conference by clicking on the video icon. But remember, video conferencing is only supported up to 15 participants, including yourself. You can also screen share by clicking on the start sharing icon, and you'll be able to choose which screen you'd like to share and also which program you would like to share as well. Then click start sharing and the attendees will be able to see your screen. You'll be able to see the sharing screen preview on the top right, and from there you can pause, stop the screen share, and change the program which you are sharing if you like. Guests can also share their screen, and you can stop their share when you like by clicking on the stop icon. You can change whether guests can share the screens or not by pressing on the three dots next to participants and then unticking or ticking the allow participant to share option. If you'd like to mute every guest, click on the three dots next to participants and then click either mute all or unmute all. From that menu, you can also lock the conference so no other guests can join. Finally, you can chat to your participants by typing in the message box below and then pressing enter. You can also select emojis to send by clicking on the smiley icon. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and make sure you give this video a huge like. And if you need any further information or help, please check out the training videos or give us a call on 08000 322 322. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening. And remember, we are the business communication experts.